This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arunachal. The number of COVID-19 positive cases has further increased in Assam, Tripura and Nagaland. In Tripura, 10 more people who returned from Chennai, Bangalore and Mumbai, including one railway pantry staff, tested positive for COVID-19 positive yesterday, taking the total to 242 with 74 active cases. So far, 165 patients have recovered and discharged from hospital. Nagaland has reported 5 more COVID-19 positive cases yesterday, taking the total number of people afflicted with the virus to 9. All the 9 people who tested positive had returned to the state from Chennai on the 22nd of this month by a Shramik special train. The patients are being treated at hospitals in Dimapur and Kohima districts. In Assam, Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma tweeted last night that the number of COVID-19 positive cases has gone up to 783, out of which 689 are active positive, 87 have recovered, 4 death cases and 3 have migrated to other states. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal yesterday reviewed the flood situation in the state with officials of various other departments in Guwahati. He directed to ensure all COVID-19 protocols including social distancing, hand washing, wearing of masks at the flood relief camps so that the community spread of COVID-19 cases can be contained during the flood season. He also directed the district administration to ensure that no irregularities take place while distributing relief materials. He also directed releasing of ex gratia within 48 hours to the next of kin of the deceased because of floods. Around 272,000 people have been affected by floods in 11 districts. Nearly 17,000 people are in relief camps at Nolbari, Gwalpara and Tinsukia districts. The Meghalaya government has decided not to defer the salary of employees for the month of May. Informing this yesterday, Chief Minister Khandu Sangma said the government had earlier decided to defer the salary due less devolution of taxes. The government has also decided that Uru, the biggest market in Shillong, will continue to remain closed. Meanwhile, former Speaker and Congress MLA from Nongthumai constituency, Charles Pringrove, has written to Assembly Speaker Medbalingdo requesting that 50% of his salary be cut for 1 year from April 2020 to March 2021 to help the state government in dealing with the present COVID-19 situation. He said that the 10% salary cut for legislators was not much, as only 6,000 rupees was deducted from his monthly salary. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu yesterday said the state government is fully equipped to handle a possible spike in COVID-19 cases as more people are returning from other states. In a video message, Mr. Khandu said his government has put in place a robust mechanism with all the standard operating procedures to prevent the spread of the virus. He also requested the people not to panic even if there is a rise in the number of COVID-19 cases in the future. Around 6,000 stranded people have returned to the state so far and more will make their way back in the coming weeks. The Chief Minister said that the lone COVID-19 patient is asymptomatic and recovering well. Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh yesterday discussed with leaders of different tribal communities at Imphal on effective tackling of the COVID-19 pandemic and other issues faced by people due to the lockdown. The key intent behind holding the discussion was to know the grievances of the Hill people in the aftermath of the spread of COVID-19 and nationwide lockdown. The Chief Minister discussed with the leaders of the requirement of a strategy to impart the right awareness at the grassroots level on COVID-19. He urged the leaders to ignore rumors and trust only advisories and guidelines issued by the government. He also requested all to be careful and take up effective steps to stop the spread of the virus. The Chief Minister also announced that a museum each for all the tribal communities of Manipur would be constructed in the originating villages at 10 lakh rupees each. Middle school students in Arunachal Pradesh will no longer be deprived of their classroom lessons with virtual classes to be telecast from June 15th. Director of Elementary Education Department Tapi Gao said the virtual classes for students of classes 6 to 8 will be telecast on DD Anu Prabha as educational institutions are shut due to the ongoing lockdown. DD Arun Prabha is Doordarshan's second channel for Northeast and the first for Arunachal Pradesh. Similar cases are already being held for high-class students of the state. An estimated 2 lakh students at the elementary level will benefit from the virtual classes. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.